Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make authentic sangria. To begin, select a good quality, dry red wine. A Spanish garnacha or tempranillo works perfectly. You'll also need fresh, ripe fruit like oranges, lemons, and apples. Don't forget a good brandy, a sweetener such as sugar or simple syrup, and a touch of sparkling water for that refreshing finish. These core ingredients are essential for a truly traditional flavor. Now let's prepare the fruit. Thoroughly wash and then thinly slice 1 orange, 1 lemon, and 1 apple. Place all the sliced fruit into a large pitcher or punch bowl. Next, add about 1/4 cup of sugar or 2 tablespoons of simple syrup directly over the fruit. Then pour in approximately 1/4 cup of your chosen brandy. Gently stir to combine, ensuring the fruit is well coated. It's time to combine everything. Carefully pour 1 750 milliliter bottle of your chosen red wine into the pitcher with the fruit, sugar, and brandy. Give it a gentle stir to ensure all the ingredients are well mixed. This step is crucial for flavor development. Once combined, cover the pitcher tightly and place it in the refrigerator to chill for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. When you're ready to serve, remove the sangria from the refrigerator. Just before pouring, add about 1/2 cup of sparkling water or club soda for a refreshing fizz. Give it a light stir and taste, adjusting the sweetness if you prefer. Serve your authentic sangria over ice in individual glasses, making sure each glass gets some of the delicious fruit. Garnish with a fresh fruit slice for a perfect presentation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.